Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Now this is a story of mystic and weird, about how I fled from my home in St. Pierre. So light up a spliff and sit right there. I'll tell you how I became a badger in the jungle somewhere. In West St. Pierre, I was born and raised in the chateau where I spent most of my days, sipping on Bordeaux, relaxing all fine, eating foie gras under chandeliers that shine. When a couple of assassins up to no good creep through the hedges of my neighborhood, they pulled one little knife and mama got scared. She said, "You move into the jungle, mon chéri, be prepared." I begged and I pleaded with tears in my eyes. She said, "You go into the warlock, he's humble but wise." She gave me a hug, packed truffle and cheese, and slipped me a map through the banyan trees. Alors, le vrai blaireau riche, s'il vous plaît, se lève. Alors, le vrai blaireau riche, s'il vous plaît, se lève. Se lève. Alors, le vrai blaireau riche, s'il vous plaît, se lève. I whistled for a boat, and when it came near, it smelled like stale smoke full of fishing gear. If anything, I could say this boat was rare, but I thought, nah, forget it, to the jungle, mon frère. I pulled up to the vines, about 7 or 8, and I yelled to the ferryman, "Bless up, me mate." Looked up the path, I was gripped by fear, but then came Morphmaster with his spiraling beard. He looked at me once, then sparked a blue flame. He said, "You royal, me boy, but life must change." He chanted a spell at a serious pace. Then I had stripes and a furry new face. I turned round confused, my slick fur gleam. He chuckled and said, "Ah, that is the richest badger I ever seen." I walked through the trees feeling regal and bold, but Deersea was wild and the nights were cold. Still I held me head high without a care. Said, "What you looking at? I'm a badger, don't stare." Alors, le vrai blaireau riche, s'il vous plaît, se lève. Alors, le vrai blaireau riche, s'il vous plaît, se lève. Alors, le vrai blaireau riche, s'il vous plaît, se lève.